can you say some signs for mommy? Can you do ball? How do you sign ball? How do you do ball? That's right, ball. And more? How do you say more? That's right. How do you sign it? How do you use it with your hands? Can you show me with your hands? How do you say more with your hands? That's right. And how do you say please? Can you say please with your hands? Good girl. And thank you? That's it. Good girl. How about duck? Can you say duck? How do we do duck? What does we say? Quack, quack. Do you remember? That's right. You being shy? Good girl. What is the light? How do you say light? What does the light do? What does the light do? That's right. Twinkle, twinkle. What else? What else? Do you want to eat? How do you show you want to eat? How do you show you want to eat something? No? Can you do this? How about, what other ones can we show you? Can you wave bye-bye? Can you wave? Can you wave bye-bye?